HFE-30. This is the mid-size Homesteader sawmill, probably made right here in the United States of America. We use structural steel, welding, put together by hard-working men and women. The HFE-30 is a great bang for the buck. It features a large 30-inch diameter log capacity, 31 inches between the guides, comes with 3x3 angle track sections. There's two 7-foot sections. Uses the Hud-Son cam style log dog. One of the great features about the HFE-30 is it brings you up to 19-inch band wheels. Those band wheels give you a greater depth of cut. They also give you some flywheel action to give you a consistency of that blade speed. Keeping that blade up to speed is the 14-horse manual start engine. Your blade height adjustment is done here with this manual crank. We also have your measurements here with your dual scale, rule and quarter scale. The quarter scale has your blade curve already calculated into it. The HFE-30 has a Homesteader modified 4-post frame with the integrated vertical lift tubes, which support the H-frame design, holding those big 19-inch band wheels on either side with these 1.5-inch pillow block bearings. Has the adjustable guide with guide shoes supporting both the top and bottom of the blade. The HFE-30 is a great mill for the farm, homestead, hobbyist, and even everyday sawyer. To our commitment to building and designing strong equipment made out of structural steel, you are going to be able to pass this down to the next generation so they too can achieve their dreams. We'd love to hear from you, so let's get cutting.